data that precision oncology is a viable strategy is still lacking. We lack large-scale randomized trials showing benefits of this strategy over alternative strategies. A bunch of reasons why we should be cautious of this approach. Foremost, if you look at the landscape of cancers and the amount of mutations present in a cancer, you find that cancers have on average between 2 and 8 mutations per every 1,000 DNA bases, which when you look across a whole cancer cell is a lot of mutations. And precision oncology is this idea that we're going to look in this sea of mutations and pick just 1 or perhaps 2 mutations that we know that we have drugs for and to drug those mutations. I think fundamentally that may be implausible at the outset. So I think we should be cautious about the biological rationale as well. In many nations, including the United States, we spend sizable tens of millions of dollars running large-scale genetic diagnostic panels on patients with cancer. And we currently have no large-scale, reliable data that information improves outcomes for that patient, for those patients. So I think the question is, are we pursuing this strategy in lieu of other strategies and spending tens to hundreds of millions of dollars on it without getting anything back for that expenditure? The elephant in the room with precision oncology and precision medicine is the high price of drugs, particularly cancer drugs. In nations like the United States, the average launch price of a cancer drug is now $100,000 for a year of treatment. Precision oncology lends itself to the use of very costly drugs for indications that they were not originally developed for. And so I think the key here is that we need better ways to negotiate the price of drugs and to have different systems in place that lower the price of drugs. In a few weeks from now in Nature Reviews Clinical Oncology, we have a lengthy paper coming out of different strategies to lower the price of drugs. But I think that is the elephant in the room. That's the critical question of precision oncology.